In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Gantt chart in Excel 2026 Easy Guide. First, open Microsoft Excel and get a blank worksheet ready. In this tutorial, we're building a simple Gantt chart from scratch. A Gantt chart is a project management chart that shows tasks across a timeline, so you can clearly see start dates, durations, and overall scheduling at a glance. Excel doesn't have a built-in Gantt chart button, but the good news is that you can create one very easily by using a stacked bar chart and then formatting it correctly. To follow along, use a simple table with 3 columns: task, start date, and duration. For example, you might enter tasks like planning, design, development, testing, and deployment, along with their start dates and the number of days each task will take. One important tip here is to make sure your start date column contains real Excel dates, not plain text. If Excel recognizes them as dates, the timeline will work properly later on. Once your data is entered, select the start date and duration columns, including the headers. In this example, that means selecting cells B1 through C6. Then go to the Insert tab, choose Bar Chart, and select Stacked Bar. Excel will insert a chart based on those 2 numeric columns. At this stage, it won't look like a Gantt chart yet, and that's completely normal. Next, we need to add the task names. Right-click the chart and choose Select Data. Under Horizontal or Category Axis Labels, click Edit, then select the task names in column A from A2 to A6. After you confirm, the task names will appear on the vertical axis, making the chart much easier to read. Now we'll hide the start date bars, because those bars are only being used to position each task on the timeline. Click the Start Date series in the chart, right-click, and choose Format Data Series. Set the fill to No Fill and the border to No Line. This makes the start date portion invisible, leaving only the duration bars visible, which creates the Gantt chart effect. After that, right-click the task axis and choose Format Axis. Turn on Categories in reverse order. This places the first task at the top, which is the standard layout most people expect in a project schedule. Finally, right-click the horizontal date axis and choose Format Axis. From there, adjust the minimum date, maximum date, and major units, depending on whether you want the timeline displayed by days or by weeks. This helps you control how detailed and readable the chart appears. Once that's done, your Excel Gantt chart is ready to use and much easier to interpret for project planning and deadlines.